Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic NCLT. What is NCLT? The National Company Law Tribunal is a quasi-judicial body in India that adjudicates issues relating to Indian companies. The tribunal was established under the Companies Act 2013 and was constituted on 1st June 2016 by the Government of India and is based on the recommendation of V. Balakrishna Iradi Committee on Law relating to the insolvency and winding up of companies. All proceedings under the Companies Act include proceedings related to arbitration, compromise, agreements, reconstructions, and up of companies shall be disposed of by the National Company Law Tribunal. The NCLT bench is chaired by a judicial member who is supposed to be retired or a serving High Court judge and a technical member who must be from Indian Corporate Law Service ICLS CAD. The National Company Law Tribunal is the adjudicating authority for the insolvency resolution process of companies and limited liability partnerships under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. No criminal court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceeding in respect to any matter which the tribunal or the appellate tribunal is empowered to determine by or under this act or any other law for the time being in force, and no injunction shall be granted by any court or any other authority in respect to any action taken or to be taken in pursuance of any power conferred by or under this act or any other law for the time being in force by the tribunal or the appellate tribunal. The tribunal has 16 benches, 6 at New Delhi and 2 at Ahmedabad, 1 at Prayagraj, 1 at Bangalore, 1 at Chandigarh and 2 at Chennai, 1 at Cuttack, 1 at Guwahati, 3 at Hyderabad, of which 1 is at Amravati, 1 at Jaipur, 1 at Kochi, 2 at Kolkata and 5 at Mumbai. Of the 2 new branches approved to be set up, each one is in Indore and Amravati. The Indore bench is yet to be notified. Except the bench at Amravati, all the benches have been notified as division benches. Justice M. Kumar, a retired Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, has been appointed President of the Tribunal. The National Company Law Tribunal has the power under the Companies Act to adjudicate proceedings initiated before the Company Law Board under the previous act, that is the Companies Act 1956. The Company Act has proceedings under pending before the Board for Industrial and Final Reconstruction, including those pending under the Sikh Industrial Companies Act 1985 and the ones pending before the Appellate Authority for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction and pertaining to claims of oppression and mismanagement of a company, winding up of a company and all other powers prescribed under the Companies Act. Thank you.